This ONE+ framing gun from RYOBI has made my building projects so much quicker and easier, and it comes ready to go straight out of the box. So I'll meet you back in the shed and give you the rundown. Let's start with the type of nails and how to load and unload them. The nails are the same standard ones used by most trade models. These can be any brand of 10 gauge 30 to 34 degree clipped head nails from 50 to 90 mm in length. Don't use old nails that look like this. They can leave a residue in the magazine, causing misfires and jams. And bent nails like this will cause the same issues. Loading the magazine with nails couldn't be easier. Insert one strip at the end of the magazine, pull the tensioner all the way back and release it into place. And if you want to swap these out for a different nail, like these galvanized nails, pull the retainer back and push this lever to allow it to slide forward. Holding the nailer up lets the nails slide back. Then push this lever in to allow the nails to slide out. Now insert any size, fully charged 18V ONE+ battery. I'm going to use this 4 amp hour battery, which will fire around 750 nails. To turn on or activate the nailer, squeeze the grip switch just under the main trigger. This LED will glow green for 10 seconds, indicating the tool is ready to go to work. You will need to activate the tool each time you replace the battery, or if it's been idle for 20 minutes. The way you use the nail gun is no different to any other you may have used before. First, position the nosepiece where you want to drive the nail. Then firmly press the tool to compress the nosepiece. Now squeeze the trigger to fire the nail. This process is required with each nail and can be performed pretty much as quickly as you can set it up. Controlling how deep the nails are driven is made by rotating this dial at the nose piece. Looking down from the top, turning it in an anti-clockwise direction will increase the depth. And for safety, always make sure you remove the battery before making any adjustments. All types of nail guns experience the occasional misfires and jams, even when using new nails. Misfires can occur if the gun has either low air pressure or if the battery is just about dead. The LED in the handle will glow a steady red for 10 seconds when the battery is low. And if it's a low pressure issue, I'll show you how to fix that in a moment. But if you get a jam nail, the LED will flash red to indicate it's in jam protection mode. To fix the issue, start by removing the battery. This will reset the tool. Using the onboard Allen key, loosen the 2 grub screws here at the nose piece. Then press down on the magazine as you wiggle it forward enough to access and clear the nail. Doesn't get any easier than that. After around 20,000 to 25,000 nails, the air tank will need topping up. This is a good time to perform some basic maintenance. As a guide, there are about 3,000 nails in most boxes of framing nails. Starting with the battery removed, use the onboard Allen key to remove this cover to access the inlet valve, which you will notice is the same as any car or bicycle tyre. I'm going to use my RYOBI ONE+ inflator and preset it to 125 psi. And if you don't have one of these, you can use any air compressor fitted with a tyre inflator and an air pressure gauge. It only takes a minute or so to top up the tank. And don't worry if you accidentally overfill the tank, as there is a safety overflow valve. Another great benefit of RYOBI's Airstrike technology over a gas one is there is very little maintenance. On a regular basis, lubricate the firing pin with a couple of drops of machine tool oil. Then give the inside of the magazine a light spray with a dry lubricant and wipe it clean to remove any glue residue from the nail collation and dirt buildup. And that's it. Tool's ready to get back to work. To learn more about our range of products, go to ryobi.com.au or check out our YouTube channel. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest releases.
RYOBI, a cut above.